Ki Pulit kari Bhoi district kila penlong ya ka lumpung jing Hikai syapang kumno ban night na ki jing ma na ka jing pendon kam ya ki internet cyber safety ha ki Samla Pule kari Bhoi college. Nalor ka ka phang kila Hikai ru ya ki an ki bayade bat drug and substance abuse, cybercrime, traffic rules, POCSO Act but ka jing ban ben ya ki kentai kana crime against women. Ki officer Pulit chenrang bat kentai kila ai ki jingkran bat jing batai ha ki Samla Pule ki bala pelet jingmut kriau ya ki jing batai bakila yo ha kani kasni ka jing thu bakongsan jong kini ki jing Hikai kalong ban penlong ya ki Samla Pule kentai bat chenrang ban tip ya ki an ban ya da ya lade bat shano ban pentip lada ja baki ya kendu ya kini ki jing ja ha ka jing em jongki dangshen uwei ni ka wei ka Samla Pule na ka college u lanika la sha thok hakinong tu ki bala sei pisa na ka bank account klem da poi perkhan la ujor shiki Pulit ki badang thuet hadu menta la maha me ki Samla ban tengkai bat yada yalade amdei ban shania rumah habayo kanu ka message haki mobile jongki.
Cyber crimes are different types of cyber crimes are there, like individuals cyber crimes and organizations that affects individual persons. I think some of you must have faced this last few days. You have come to police station. Someone has clicked a link and then it affected the rest of your class. There were some students there in the police stations. You have come to lodge FIR. So that is one type of crime, no? That causes financial losses. So in the personal cyber crimes or offense, we types like identity theft. No? This last what happened to you is financial type of cyber crime, but there are others like identity theft. You may get a link or something, you click, then your account get hacked or compromised. Then someone else will use your Facebook, maybe Instagram or WhatsApp. So that way, from your account, someone will be doing some activities that will affect your person, let us say your personality or your or affect your friends. No? They may be sending some pictures that is not suitable for viewing. All this, these things can happen. So other things, another type of, I think that what you got last time is that what you got links or messages. No, that in cyber term we call it phishing. You know that phishing. Phishing is same thing. Like this is also like phishing only. Quite okay. We send one message, then if nobody responds, we send one link, nobody responds. Like that, no? Throw the hook, then roll it, nothing happens. Then from among you, someone has clicked that link, so that fish got caught, right? And he got, the person, whoever committed the crime, got benefit from whatever amount he had collected from you. It's same thing like phishing, no? Earlier, in this, when cyber crimes started to happen, you know, there were messages circulating with the mobile phones, like you have won 1 crore rupees in your mobile. Your mobile number has won 1 crore rupees.
The POCSO Act came into force in 2012. In 2012, it came into force before it is IPC, not PNS, it's IPC. So in IPC there is the punishment, everything, but not in details. So after coming this POCSO Act, the details there, what we need to do, how we'll go, how we'll report the statement, how we'll register the case according to the Act. So what is the crime against children? Children include, I already told, both male and female, not only girls. Those are below 18 years are the POCSO, mean the children. Those are, it could be boy or a girl. It can be, the victim can be a boy or a girl, not only boy, not only a girl. Don't feel that the victim victim will be only the girls. So the boy can be the victim, or the girls can be the victim. So according to the POCSO Act, it explains that if you touch, only to touch to any girls or to any boys who are below 18 years of age, the punishment will be there. Not sexual, only touch also the punishment will be there. The punishment will be the same. So most of the cases we register in our PS is some are genuine and some are not genuine. But according to the law, according to the POCSO Act, the crime against women, you need to go to the jail. Those who are committing, they need to go to the jail and stay there. Who want to go to the jail? No one. Yes or no? Who want to go to the jail? No one. But at the time of doing, you are not expecting that it will come to that limit. Yes or no? You are not expecting that they will restart a case, they will arrest you. You know anything arrest? They will arrest you, they will keep you in the jail for how many years? Suppose if you stay for 2 years, as a student, you spoil your career. You spoil your documents, everything. Jobs so you will not get. Everything you will not get, you need to stay at home. If you come out from the jail also, you have to stay with the condition. The court will give you the condition. What condition? You do this, you do that, don't do this, don't do that. Without the condition, they will not release you from, they will not give you the bail. So that is why, be careful. Many of the girls, they used to say, she is still 13, so they used to say, I am 17, I am 18. But we used to know from their face, yes or no? We used to know those are aged, those are still below the age. We used to know, but they used to say, I'm 18 years old, madam. But their face condition is still tender. They are not 18. But if you ask the birth certificate is below the 18 years, she is still 15, she is 13. By the age of 13 or 14, you already pregnant, what is the use? Where you will go? Yes or no? Especially the girls. Where you will go if at the age of below 18 you already have children with you? Where you will go? Where you will have the future? Your parents send you to school, to college, to have a bright future. Not to get married. Not to have the child. Yes, you can have your boyfriend, girlfriend, no problem. No objection from me also. But this time relationship is the most. What is this time relationship? Yes, you can do chatting, no problem. You can do video call. But dating is very serious. And it will, what will be the impact? You need to stay at home. You are only class 11, 12, no future. Your parents spend lots of money. And for the boys also, you will bring someone at home. What you will do? You will go to the body field. What is the use to go to school? Please chase your dream fast.
National Highway 6, Khuborjylla bentar. Bah, lada 50 kilo di ain, kalau mama, buat kalau apa, sushi hanya siap, aja ini guna bikin jam sekian. Di pan kamera kita kalau apa sup ini, apa punya seperti nebai kali apa pilih cross Shillong, sekalian, yang bertahan di kita. Pergam, kenang lagi beri bayar takmat lagi ini tu, cakaman, ini sekalian. Mereka buat leci tu tang situ buat rumah, buat leci kamu tang situ. Di kita ada yang ibarat seperti kali, apa yang dalam politik. Kenang lagi wiu, kita penting dan kita lari kali jadi. Niat semua terus semua buat buat ini, kita pilih terakhir dam ni. Dia apa jalan tak mana berkelar kelar ni. Kalau cross plan, ai signal yang kita ibat. Kata ni kepada kamu. Plus entah, ngomong misalnya ni, helmet lagi ibat seperti important untuk kita. Lada tinggal helmet, helmet. Nak kita ada kelon, lana punya Khuborjylla. Sin kita group, bam dan helmet kapli, senda, aman sah kapli beliau kamjar baniam, junjar baniam. Ada kita sebenarnya Simba mensau nanti beri pamjajan. Nah tak tahu nak kalian juga berberakru katik lakam hapan checking man lapor kerang maniada pan pelan kim yaki tak jimin sau rupi kita giru ibu ban hapan ladap kim tak sangat tapi mensau sedikit minta lele kita ngelak berlek penuan bertrim kita resin ba mensau nanti kamu lah jenjar pribadi setangga peniap di mana membuat peniap apa minta dan membuat peniap ni dan membuat mensau ni kemudian yang di muda suka banyak tak hemat mendeng sebel mongsa dari tejinra mo kenang ba pinim slam pinim suk pinim sai mata cibo minain manager school manual schoolix pim tak angkat dan wing driver setia try hidam dengan lip no siap kaya latihan yo rela latihan kakum kirun yang berhenti pio kirap nak sukato Habar kila berhenti ya turun ke air juga perfect. Pada kita pun pin shadow pin pan ke jirap, pimla kan yo ke jirap. Ada dia cakum ki kirun ke air juga. Hidon kilat pinti pan yo ke jirap. Nak insuran, nak ada department bagi dia dan hok pan yo ke tak hok ke jongki. Nama apa? Don't lupa insuran company.